Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you can hear me and you can see the screen as well. Let's just wait a couple of more minutes and we'll just start the training exactly at 3:05 p.m. So let's wait 3 minutes more and then we'll get started with today's training. And as already communicated, we'll be talking about online recruitment. So we're gonna talk about the tips, we're gonna talk about the process, we can also talk about the sample recruitment templates as well as your online opportunity meeting, right? Uh, so just 2 to 3 minutes more and we'll get started, okay? Meanwhile, you can just assemble and maybe just grab a coffee and we'll get started with the training in a while. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you can see the screen and you can hear me as well. And we'll get started right away with today's training. As already mentioned that today we'll be talking about how do you recruit online, right? If you have been paying attention, we came across through a series of online trainings. We talked about digital RPO. We talked about how to get started with Facebook. Then we had a training on prospecting. We gave a training on basic ad policies. Last two trainings we did on how to run a traditional lead generation ad, how to run a message ad. So if you have been following consistently and trying to implement all these things one by one, you will eventually figure out that working online is not that difficult after all. All you need is some persistence and of course the right approach to do these things. And now if you have a nice social media presence, if you are doing advertisement, if you have a plan for your Facebook group and community posting, it means that you are generating leads from different spheres of online and social media. So what happens once you start attracting all those people to your business, to your services? Of course, the next action step we need to take is we need to recruit them. And in today's training, we'll exclusively talk about how do we recruit online, what all things we need to take care of, what are some of the best practices we need to keep in our mind, what elements and what components and tools do we need to have the smoother and effective online recruitment. And then of course we'll have some insights about the recruitment templates, the online opportunity meeting as well. So please pay attention with what all we are going to discuss today, and post that if you have any questions. We will try to answer your questions by at the end of the session. Okay. Now getting started. First things first. So this is basically how ideally the social media funnel looks like. So any public out there who are on the social media, maybe they are on Instagram, they are on Facebook, they are on YouTube, they come to do online search for their business. They ideally comprise what we call is your potential prospect group. It means that any of these people is a potential prospect and they can be a part of business. They can buy from us or they can join our team and start their career with Oriflame, be an entrepreneur with us, right? So talking about the approach, so what ideally our approach is, just a second. Yeah, so what ideally our approach is that people out there, they form the potential set of prospects. And now when we talk about the social media funnel, the objective is that we create valuable content, we organize our profile, we create a nice and influencing presence on social media so that these people get attracted to our business. These people get attracted to our lifestyle. These people get attracted to the kind of empowerment we are offering and doing, right? And eventually once they show interest, they reach out to us, they become our leads. And every time we have a lead, we have to convert that lead into prospect. And finally, once we have a prospect, we need to figure out how do we convert that prospect either into a VIP customer or say a brand partner with us, right? Now, first, I will just talk about the difference between lead and prospecting. So what ideally is the difference between lead and a prospect? Now, lead is anyone who reaches out to you with intent of knowing about your business and services. Now, for example, you did a simple Facebook post and you are talking about, say, a skincare routine, and I inquired about it. I become your lead. You talked about a strong opportunity testimonial. Somehow I figured out it somehow and it reached to me and I replied that, hey, I'm interested. I want to know more about it. Again, I become your lead. Now I am a lead till the time you do not reply back to me. The moment you entertain my request, moment you entertain my concern and you get back to me. For example, I replied onto your testimonial video. Hey, this looks really interesting. Can you please tell me more about it? So I become your lead. And the moment you reply back to me, does not matter whether you are replying me back through the comment, you are messaging me on my inbox, or I landed on your WhatsApp and dropped your query there, or on your Facebook Messenger, wherever it is. Whenever you reply back to someone who showed interest to your business services, it immediately becomes a prospect. So the only major difference here between lead and prospect is that lead is a one-way communication, while I only become prospect when it is a two-way communication. You also got back to me and then I become your prospect. Now that you have a prospect, there are two things which ideally could happen for our business. One is that person is interested in joining me as a VIP customer, or what we can do is that we can recruit that person as a part of our business, as a part of our team, so that they can start working along with us and they become a brand partner with us, right? Now, how do we ensure that? How do we make sure that people who reach out to us, they are getting recruited as well? What all components do I need in my system? How do I set up my recruitment so that I'm recruiting say 10, 20 people every day, right? That should be ideal, way I should structure my recruitment. There are two ways. One is the traditional way, we talked about it. It's something which is called personal branding. It means that you decide the social media platform, for example, Facebook or Instagram. So you first organize your profile, you complete your basics, you set up a really nice presence, you create value through nice content, which is valuable content, which is original and authentic content, so that people understand you, people start noticing you. And when people will see good content floating in, they will get attracted to you, they will reach out to you, and that is how leads will start coming in. But let me be very honest with you, that is a very time consuming process. Why? Because personal brand is something which takes time to shape up. It will not happen in a matter of weeks or days. It takes time. It will take a year or 2 years or 3 years to have a really strong personal brand on social media. But it does not mean that we should just overlook it and not work on it. It's very important, because going forward as well, most of your business, particularly recruitment, will be shaped up, will be influenced by your personal branding. But how do we also generate leads at the same time? That is why I have been talking about plan your posting into different communities on Facebook. There are so many different communities on LinkedIn where you can create attractive, valuable templates and start prospecting so that you have leads coming in from different organic platforms. And in case you have investment opportunity, it means that you can invest as well, maybe for advertising, for lead generation. That is again something which you need to consider, because all of this is important. It's not just about doing one thing, it's about doing 2-3 things so that I ensure that the leads are coming in, the people are reaching out to me, and I'm recruiting on a big scale on daily basis. So in order to recruit big, I need to prospect massively, right? If I'm just prospecting to 10 people in a day, I might recruit 1 or 2 out of them. But if I'm prospecting 100 people in a day, I might recruit 10 or 12 people out of them. So it's just directly proportional. So the more you prospect, the effectively you prospect, the recruitment will go up. But if your prospecting is not up to bench, then of course recruitment will not be that strong and we'll have just limited number of recruits coming into our system. No matter whether leads reach out to us because they got inspired by our content, they got inspired by our personal brand, or they saw our posting into different groups, or we have been running a lot of social media ads, maybe on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. Now people show interest in our business. And how do we recruit them? We talked about that we need to have recruitment templates. We can call them business templates as well. Other than our recruitment templates, we should also have personalized online opportunity meeting, because these are very critical components which can enhance your online recruitment. And then we just establish a personal connect. I send you my templates, I figure out and follow up with you. And then if interested, I do the online opportunity meeting with you and recruit you into my system, and then start working on your growth and development onto the Oriflame success plan. So it's as simple as that. So if you look at this slide, what we need to do is we need to just work in the reverse. Why? Because right now, if you do not have attractive business templates, right now, if you do not have a really nice and outstanding online opportunity meeting, your recruitment might struggle. you might not get as many recruits as you want. And every time, if you remember, like go back to the digital SRPO training, we talked about it very clearly. It's all about having a system in place. Now imagine you are getting 100, 200 leads a day. How do you recruit all those people? Do you just start chatting with them randomly? Or you just start asking for their number and calling them? Or you just drop the link of your WhatsApp group and then whatever happens, happens, right? So what is the right way to recruit? That's why you need to work backwards. And if you have to recruit stronger, first figure out, okay, in order to recruit through online, what all elements I need to have? Hey, I need to have recruitment templates. So what kind of recruitment templates can I create? What kind of personal branding and stories I can portray there? How do I attract working women to my business? What kind of templates I can have for them? There are so many homemakers. What kind of template I can have for homemakers, right? So if you look at it, it's all about having the right components into your system. And then once you prospect, you have people reaching out to you, you send your business templates. You tell people who you are. You tell people what kind of business you do. Why? Because it helps them to make a right and smart choice. And it's all about certain things which I'll just talk about in this slide, which I believe is really, really important. Recruitment, there is no definite flow that, okay, this thing will work or that thing will work, because recruitment, I believe, is very individual specific. You might get 20 leads in a day, but you are just able to recruit, say, 2 people. Somebody is getting 20 leads in a day and they're able to recruit 6 to 8 people. So it means that there's a difference in the approach, there's a difference in the communication, and there is certain elements which this person has which are not, available to us. And for that, in order to create those elements, in order to have a better recruitment plan, there are 3 things which you need to take care of, and these are really, really important. And these are not just limited to your online recruitment, whether it's offline, it's online, but these are 3 key principles to recruit, and they matter mostly into the online recruitment scenario. The first thing you need to take care of is the feeling that people who reach to you, they should feel that, okay, they are being entertained, they are being valued, they are being taken care of. And this is really, really important feeling. Now imagine, like, people who join your team, but you do not communicate with them. They are not getting properly defined trainings. They have no idea how to work, how to, get their questions resolved. They will lose faith in the system because they feel like this is all total crap. Nobody is like, doing any positive work here. They will not work. They will not place their orders. Similarly, people who reach out to you, if we do not have a proper communication plan, if we do not know how to talk to them, we just are very casual, because I have seen so many scenarios where people reach out to us and we just drop a text, please join my WhatsApp group, and we just drop them a number of the WhatsApp group. So the idea is that we need to first personalize our communication and we need to create value. Now imagine if I reach out to you and I say I'm interested, you should not just like, give me your WhatsApp link. Hey, please join my WhatsApp group and then your work is done. No. First, you will get back to me the personalized message. Hey, hi, Safir. Thank you so much for your valuable time and, and interest in this business opportunity. You have taken a really, really good decision. And I'm sure that once you know about our income, incentives, success plan, you are gonna love it. How about like, we can schedule a call and discuss it in detail. Maybe I'm not interested, but still what will happen is that the way you reach out to me, the way you talk to me, it defines a lot deal about you. It tells a great deal about you. In your offline meetings as well, when you meet someone, do you just ignore their calls? Do you just go late to the meeting? No. Even in your offline meetings, when you are prospecting someone, when you try to recruit someone, you go in your best attire. You wear a really nice, happy smile on your face. You are so confident. You just like, put your best foot forward. Why? Because that person gets attracted to you, the way you behave with them, the way you talk to them, and it is easier for them to make a decision whether they want to join you or not. Same thing we have to display online. So whether we create content or we reach out to those people, that is something we need to display, that hey, these people are real people. They show interest. Why not value their effort? Why not value their time? And let me have a proper plan to address these people. Have personal messages, have nice business templates so that they get attracted or their questions are being answered and they feel value. Okay. So this is really important, and this is something which you need to take care, because tomorrow once you have to create your business templates, that is the first thing which should be on top of your mind, that you are actually creating value and establishing a connection with them. The second one is that we should not portray as if we try to recruit them and make them join our team. No, because that is a very obsolete and a boring way to recruit someone. We have to show them, hey, see, I care for you. I am here for you with a better and life-changing alternative. I really do not care whether you join me or not, but whatever I have to offer is something you should at least know about. And that is where your own confidence comes into picture. If most of you are not confident in the business opportunity you represent, you are not really confident about Oriflame, you are not confident about your own selves, your own team, you will see that you are struggling with recruitment. It's all about a change of thought here. Lot of the times people reach out to me saying that, Safir, whenever we mention Oriflame, they do not want to work. Let them, it's all right, let them not work. But you have to be really careful while you talk about Oriflame. Is it Oriflame? Yes, it's Oriflame. We love working with Oriflame. It's one of the leading social selling company, social selling beauty company. It has amazing legacy and talk about its Swedish attributes. It's all about how do you communicate about Oriflame, how passionate and how positive you feel about Oriflame. Most of the times we get defensive, and then these people say, okay, it might be a scam. We might have to do some selling and all. That is all these people want. But that is not the case. Rather, you have to showcase them, hey, I am not really trying to make you join my team. I just want you to listen and understand what I have to offer, and then you make a call. It's your choice. Why not join my online meeting or training today, and I'm sharing some strong testimony, then you figure out whether you want to know more about it or not. So it's not about forcing them to join us. It's making them feel that, see, it really does not impact me much whether you join or not. But this is something good which you should know about. This is something good which you should at least try and attend once, so that you take your own call, you figure out what you want to do about it. So it's all about making them feel valued, but at the same time we need to tell them, hey, we are doing this for your own betterment. How much income you have been generating into your current job, right? Do you have a really strong work-life balance? Do you get to meet your friends often? Do you get to take care of your family? Do you have time to just travel with your spouse or say your family? Aren't you too busy doing so much that you just are not living? And my opportunity offers you exactly the same thing. The time to live better, a balanced life, a great work-life balance, a great income opportunity, a great empowering potential. And that is what matters in the recruitment. How do you present this opportunity? How do passionately you talk about it? How strongly you talk about it, and how confident you are? That is really important. If you are confident, it's all right. Things are sorted. And rejections are a part of recruitment. A lot of people get dismayed. They feel so disappointed when people say no. I'm not sure how many of you attended the Tamila class by the Mr. Hai recently, and he talked about, in order to get 2 recruits, I faced 50 rejections. So it is with the leaders of that stature, they also face rejections, and rejections should not something to bother you. Rejection should not be something which actually lowers your confidence. No, that is part and parcel of the business, but your focus should be on recruitment. And in order to recruit more, you need to generate more leads. You need to prospect more effectively. You need to talk more and more people. Why? Because it's directly proportional. The more prospecting you do, the effective prospecting you do, the recruitment is going to be definitely better. Why I'm explaining these things? Because these are some of the mind blocks we have created within ourselves. And tomorrow, when you are creating your business templates, when you are creating your own online opportunity meeting, which are way too critical components for your online recruitment, you should have these things in mind as well, so that they are structured accordingly, so that they are that effective and have better conversion ratio. So very, very important points for recruitment. Last but not least, we need to tell them you can trust us. Why would someone place a 100 BP order with you? Why would someone give you your KYC, their Aadhaar card details, their postal address, everything? Why would someone just give you their 3 to 4 hours of daily time? They will only give it to you if they trust in you. Because time is equivalent to money. And if I know I have made the right career decision, this person is trustworthy, I can trust my upline, I can trust my network leader. And with that network, my dreams are going to be fulfilled. I can be a better and empowered woman, or a man for that matter. That is when it means you are doing your recruitment right. You need to create that environment of trust and credibility. But if you are someone who just keeps on chasing, following up, calling, people get bored of it and they say, oh, please do not call me, I'm not interested at all. Rather, use the alternate way around. Make them feel valued, always appear confident and smiling and happy, always have that positive energy, and may portray to them that, hey, we care for you, we respect your time and your association with us. And moreover, whatever stories we have, whatever testimonies we have, it's all authentic. And we are just like your own, and you can trust us. Why? Because our entire business, the entire establishment is based on love, mutual respect, and trust. These are major components of our business, because our business is not the business of the products or the services. It's basically the human business. Here, the human connection matters more than any other business. So that is what you need to display while you are recruiting online. If you are just being too mechanical, just sharing the WhatsApp links, just sharing join my team, I'm looking for 20 females, it's not gonna take you anywhere. You might get recruits, but you need to have passion, you need to have a strong follow-up strategy, and you need to have right elements into your system in order to recruit those people. Now, for those of you who do not have business templates, I will explain what kind of templates you can have. But of course, you need a specialist, or you need some expertise help for that, who can understand your life story, who can understand your challenges, and who also understand network marketing business. And those people can help you in really, really attractive templates, because that is the human nature. We get attracted to things which are very pleasing and comforting to the eye. Not something which looks very obnoxious, not something which is very unpleasant, right? So that's why once you create business templates tomorrow, they have to look attractive. They have to look appealing. The color scheme needs to be really, really in tune. The kind of content you are using should be very appreciative, very encouraging, and very inspiring at the same time. You cannot have spelling errors. You cannot have grammatical mistakes. You cannot have any bad scheme of font and colors used, and then you figure out, okay, I have created a really nice recruitment template. No, because small things matter. And in today's time as well, the consumers, basically the prospects, they are becoming more and more smart. Right now, people do not just join you with their eyes closed. They will look how you talk to them, what kind of templates you have sent. They will check your presence on social media, what kind of presence you have. and then they will compare you with other network, with our other competition in the system. And then if they find better alternative, they will not join you, they will go to that person. So that's why do not lose on to very important and critical business. Have nice templates, have recruitment templates, and also know how to talk to these people, how to motivate them to be part of your business. Okay. But it's again very important that if we have to understand recruitment, we can only have understanding of effective ways to recruit when we know what kind of leads are we generating. Now in social media and online spaces, ideally we generate 3 types of leads. One is called cold lead, the second one is called warm lead, and the third one is called qualified lead. Now who is a cold lead? Cold lead is someone who showed interest into your content without the intention of buying from you, without the intention of joining your team or network. Now, for example, someone of you, maybe you did a nice post on your Facebook page, or you posted somewhere into the Facebook group and I liked your content and I replied, hey, this is so empowering, keep up the great work. It means that I engaged with your content. I appreciated your content, in fact. But I did not tell you, hey, I want to be part of your team. I want to join your network, right? So people who just engage with us without any intention of being part of our business, this is called cold lead. And what should we do with cold leads? We should just reply back to them, engage them. Now, if I posted a comment on your page, you just get back to me, Safir, thank you so much for these encouraging words. It means a lot to me. You see personalization again. In a lot of the times we just say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We reply the thank you to everyone. That is not how you deal with social media comments. That is not how you behave on social media. Okay. Then the second set of leads is called warm leads. And interestingly, the majority of almost like 100% of our leads today which are being generated are ideally the warm leads. Warm leads are the leads which are interested in pursuing business with us, but right now they have no idea who am I, what kind of business opportunity am I offering, what are the terms and conditions to do that business, whether there is any investment or not, how many hours they have to devote every day, right? What can they expect from me? What are my expectations from them? They have no idea about all these things. Now, for example, you are running a Facebook ad. People get attracted to your advertisement and they reach out to you. These are again your warm leads. You posted in the Facebook group and some 20-30 people commented that they are interested. These are again your warm leads. Somebody saw your message ad and they replied and now you are getting messages directly into your inbox. These are your warm leads. So ideally, all the leads we are generating through community, group posting, through content, through advertising, these are all warm leads. And the problem with warm leads is that they are interested, but only to a certain extent. Why? Because they have no idea what kind of opportunity this is, what kind of person I am, what are the expectations, all of these things. So that's why I need business templates, because daily basis I can attract hundreds of people to my business, which are ideally warm leads, right? But it's not possible for me to chat with 100 different people in days time. It's not possible for me that I just keep chatting, track down their numbers and start calling. It gets very tedious. So what we need is an effective system in place. That is why I need recruitment template. So all the warm leads who reach out to me, no matter whether on Messenger, through comment section, through Facebook, my first idea should be that I reply back to them with my recruitment template. Why? Because after they see my recruitment template, they get to know about me, my business, my lifestyle, the opportunity I am offering. And then they are in a better spot to make a qualitative decision whether they want to reach out to me or not. If they like my business template, if they like my story, if they like my, business communication over there, there is high possibility that they will get back to me. So these leads who reach out to you, After they know some details about you and your business, and they show interest because now they are qualified to a certain extent, we call them qualified leads. So qualified leads are the leads who reach out to you after they see your recruitment templates. And for that matter, if you have a website and all the leads which come to you after going through your website are again the qualified leads. Why? Because website is one stop where you can talk about your personal brand, your business, your network, the opportunity. You can talk about the activities, the trainings, everything is documented there. Now, some person coming onto your website, they know everything about you and your business. And if they are interested, it means that person is a qualified lead. So if you look at it, my recruitment has to be structured accordingly, depending upon the kind of lead I am getting. And mostly we just generate warm leads, and people who do not have website, not very mandatory you need one. But of course, considering how digital we are going, and particularly like brand partners who are gold director and above, I will recommend them to start thinking into that direction, that you need to have your website. I do not ideally recommend website for gold and below. Why? Because anyone who is below gold director, because you do not have an international travel, you do not have attractive cash awards, an amazing lifestyle to, and a really strong network or team to display. So your website will have a very limited content. It will not attract too many people. But once you are gold director, you have these things with you, you can start looking how you structure your website. Lot of the times we have seen mistakes happening where people have no clue how to structure their websites, because websites are tricky. You need to be really careful with the domain you are buying, then the kind of content you are writing over there, because website content writing is altogether a different game. Why? Because it all has to be the marketing content. It all has to be the content that people actually search for daily purposes. So your website needs to have keywords like online business, work from home, entrepreneurship, women empowerment. So the expert knows how to write that thing up, how to shape up that. So again, if you are someone who is thinking of website, please make sure that you know the small dimensions of digital media. And also there are a lot of code of ethics and digital policies which your website has to follow. So please take cues and also inform someone from the team in Oriflame here that you are planning a website. Are there any, prerequisites or recommendations, and then only proceed. Okay. Now we talk about the online recruitment tools, and I believe these are some of the most critical online recruitment tools which you definitely should start working on. And the first one, of course, is a personal brand. We have been talking about personal brand from last 2 years now. And when I say personal brand, it does not just mean, okay, you have some 50,000 followers on Instagram. No, personal brand means that people identify you as a thought leader. People identify you as an influencer in certain category. Now, for example, if you have created that value into direct selling business, that people understand, hey, this team is one of the fastest growing team. This team, they have an amazing online working system. This team have the best DSP we have seen in Oriflame. Then automatically it means that, hey, you are going the right direction. Why? Because people are talking about you. People know what exactly you are doing. So that is what personal brand is. So a strong brand on social media. Now, as I mentioned, if you have been talking about the right components on social media, you have a right following and the right content. This is a very big indicator for people to make a choice. For example, tomorrow I land onto someone's Instagram and I figured out they are talking about empowerment, they are talking about travel, they are talking about amazing success stories. They have a work from home based digital business, which I can be part of as well. It means that most of my questions, most of my queries are being answered right from their Instagram account, or right from their Facebook page, or maybe the Facebook group they have. It makes easier for me to make a decision that, hey, I want to at least inquire about it. Or if I'm really excited about your story, your testimonies, I might also directly say, hey, I'm interested. How can I join you? Right? So it's a very, very great resource. And we have seen a trend in Indonesia and Russia where people actually focus more on personal branding. Why? Because they are getting a lot of recruitment from their Instagram and Facebook, because they have created that valuable presence for themselves. And again, I've been saying that do not post spammy content, do not take screenshots of catalog, because this is not going to take you anywhere. And you are going to regret this thing big time. I'm sure a lot of you are already feeling very bad about, like, not taking corrective actions. Maybe a year back, you could have done so much better. And the idea is that when you look at your timeline, you should feel proud. Hey, this is my Instagram. I'm so proud of it. You should not be looking at your Instagram 2 years later and then like, oh my God, is this really my Instagram? I don't know how to do it. And then you will just stop working on it at all, right? So it's really important to have a strong personal brand on social media. And it's something which is time consuming. It will happen eventually, but keep working on that continuously. Don't ever give up on your personal branding. Webinar, amazing tool. And in today's time, I guess because of the COVID, because of the pandemic, lot of recruitment is happening through live events and webinars only. So you can do opportunity meeting with groups of 10, 20, 30 people on daily basis. You can conduct one-on-one or smaller group online opportunity meetings on daily basis and recruit people into your system. A very, very amazing tool. And webinar is something which should happen every day. Every day, different webinars on recruitment, on training, on leadership, on motivation, because that is the only way to build up a really strong foundation for your digital business. Very important tool for recruitment, definitely. WhatsApp, of course, WhatsApp is again a very major tool for recruitment, because you have the opportunity to share your pictures, your video testimonies, you can send voice notes, you can send video notes, right? You can do calling there. So everything is available on WhatsApp. Again, a very major tool which have helped a really great set of leaders to recruit aggressively using WhatsApp and calling mechanism. Then website, I talked about it, but you need expert help. I've seen a lot of people, they just buy a domain from GoDaddy and then they just post a picture and then they write, I'm a gold director with Oriflame, 2 lines, and they think their website is created. No, website is a lot more than that. Website needs to have a content management system. Website should be dynamic. Website should have the search engine optimization. Why? Because crores of people every day come to Google and they look for skincare products, they look for wellness routine, they look for work from home, they look for side income, part-time jobs. And that is where the website will help you. If your website is optimized, these people will directly discover your website. And if they like your website, you will have amazing business from the website coming in. But if your website is not discoverable, there is no right content, it looks shabby, it looks cluttered, people are gonna never come to your website again. Okay, very important thing, but you need to do it right. Last but not least, calling, again a very important recruitment tool. And no matter how much we talk about just digitalized communication, just chatting and all, but calling is effective. But again, what is really important is that what time of point you are calling someone. Now, for example, if you are calling me for the first time and I see this unknown number, I will not pick your number. I'll say, hey, I do not want to talk to some unknown number. I don't know whether it is someone trying to sell me a credit card or a house loan or a policy, right? And most of the time we do not pick unknown numbers, we do not pick calls. That's what happens when you try to recruit directly through calling. But yes, if you chat with them and then do a bit of ice breaking through WhatsApp chat or say Messenger chat, and then bring them onto the phone and call them, it is an important strategy. But do not just directly start calling right away, because that will ruin your chances of those people. Now, talking about the further important tools which are very, very critical for our recruitment. So we talked about recruitment templates, right? So you definitely need high quality, attractive, visual recruitment templates. Why? Because that is the first communication you send to your potential recruits. If this is like very obsolete, very mediocre, they might not be attracted. But if it's something which is attractive, which looks appealing, they will have that curiosity to know more about it. And that is when you bring them to your online opportunity meeting and recruit them on a webinar or through maybe WhatsApp and calling, right? And recruitment template definitely should give people a glimpse into your personal brand. What exactly are you doing? What kind of person you are? What kind of business you have? They should be very curious and excited. Hey, I really want to know more about this person. I really want to know more about the kind of job or work they are doing. And maybe I have some questions. It should answer some of the questions, not necessarily every question, but just few of the questions I might have. Other than recruitment templates, you can have opportunity meeting as well. A really strategically planned recruitment meeting, which talks about like, why is that you should join me? Just give me valid reasons, give me enough value. And ideally, how do you structure it? So we have a recommendation that you need to have a personal story. We need to talk about benefits of joining with you. Success stories and testimonials are integral part of it. Few details about Oriflame because that is our opportunity partner, and then right set of expectations. And once you are done with your OM, just ask them if they have any questions and do the Q&A kind of thing as we do after every webinar, and then have a call to action whether they should reach out to you on WhatsApp or call you directly. Let them know. You can also have the online opportunity video, and it could be a just 1 or 2 minute max video which tells what exactly you do, what kind of business you have, what kind of lifestyle you have. And those people who ask about you, hey, what are you doing? You can just send them that, recruitment video. So again, these components are really, really critical for your business. And if you do not have them, it's gonna take really great deal of time for you to recruit someone, and there is a high probability that you are losing a lot of valuable business because we do not have the right components into our business system. Now we'll talk about the lead generation to recruitment flow, and this is really important to understand. If I generate leads, how do I ideally recruit them? Now leads are generated maybe from group posting, people coming to my messenger, some people discovering my WhatsApp. So ideally what I should do is that people who reach out to me on Facebook groups, I should bring them to WhatsApp. People who reply to me on my message ad and come to my inbox on Facebook Messenger, I should ideally chat with them into the messenger, reply them there. Or if once I feel comfortable enough talking to them, I can bring them onto my WhatsApp as well. Now, as I talked about hot, warm, cold leads, warm leads, and qualified leads. Now, look here what's happening. Now I have leads coming in, maybe from advertisement, from community and group posting, from my profile. All these leads are primarily warm leads. People who showed interest, but they have no idea what kind of business I'm doing. So my objective is that I should not waste my time talking to all of them. Rather, what I do is I send them a personal message with my recruitment template. Now imagine I showed interest to some leader advertisement and they replied back to me. Hi Safir, thank you so much for your interest. We are team this, and we are the pioneers in setting up online business for individuals as well as different, teams. Thanks for dropping your inquiry, and I request you kindly please spend 2 minutes of your time and have a look at this video, and then let me know what do you think about it. It could be as simple as that. Now I have a really nice video template which I share with people. So all the leads who came to me, I personally reply them and I send them my recruitment template. Now recruitment template can be a simple textual detail. It can be a flyer kind of thing, which is a combination of text and some pictures, or it can be a video template as well, where I'm sending you a 1 minute or 1.5 minute video so that you get to know about my business, what exactly I do. Now what will happen here? Very interesting thing happens. Now imagine when you are generating leads, you generated 100 leads in today's time. But right now I have no idea who all these 100 people are, what their aspirations are, how good they are when it comes to communication or understanding the business, whether they will be interested in joining me or not. I have no clarity about all these things. So if I just start talking to them, I start chatting with them, I keep on wasting my time because I have no idea whether they're interested or not. And the best way to figure out their interest is that I send them my personal message along with the recruitment template. Now what happens? When those 100 people, they get my personal message and a recruitment template, out of those 100 people, maybe 20 people ideally might not open my message. They might forget about it because that is how things are. Let's accept it. So out of 100 people, 20 people did not read my message at all. And remaining 80 people, 60 of them, they saw my recruitment template. They saw my business communication template. They said, hey, maybe I'm not interested. Maybe somebody said not right now, maybe some time later. So I just keep on the track. But 20 people saw my recruitment template and they say that looks so interesting. Can you please tell me more about it? It means that out of 100 people, those 20 people who got back to you after seeing your recruitment template, they are your qualified leads. Why? Because you created the right impulse, and these are the people who are very much interested and they have really high conversion and high recruitment potential. And that is when you think of recruiting them. And you can recruit these 20 people by using two different methods. Now imagine I saw your recruitment template. I replied back, hey, can I know more about it? This really looks promising. How to go about it? Then you can reach out back to me. Hi, Safir, thank you so much for your interest. Yes, like, I'm doing half an hour online opportunity call tonight. If you have time, so you can join it today. But I usually do it every day. So you can join my tomorrow's call as well, just for half an hour, where I will tell you in detail about this business, how to do it, what are all the requirements, and then you have a clarity and then you make your decision accordingly. So what you can do is that either first thing you try to bring me on the online opportunity meeting, which you are doing on a Zoom or say Microsoft Teams, whatever you are comfortable working on. But in case I say sorry, like, I have no idea how these tools work, but also I have really, less time with me. Is there an alternate way you can explain it to me? Then I say, yeah, why not? Please, no, don't worry. What I will do is I'll share you certain things onto the WhatsApp. You go through them, and whenever time is convenient, you let me know. We can discuss these things over phone call as well. So what I do in that case, I will send you pictures of my testimony. I will send you some really strong stories from my network, my team, and then I will send you my opportunity meeting as well, which we have to create, right? And also, like, I can drop you a nice voice note, maybe at the end of it or to start with, so that it looks more personal. You look more connected with that person. And whenever time is possible, whenever they see your details and they want to know more about it, you just call them and recruit them. So it's totally your choice. How do you want to do it? But also keep the user interest into consideration and then accordingly try to recruit them. I hope it makes sense till now, and I'm able to clear some of your doubts you have regarding recruitment. Now, as already mentioned, we'll talk about two critical things now. One is recruitment templates, and second one is your online opportunity meeting. And post that, if time allows, I'll also take some of the questions from you. Okay. Now, recruitment templates. Now you see, you can have the recruitment templates which are ideally individual or network specific. Choice is totally yours. By individual, I mean, for example, I'm a Sapphire director, I have cash award, everything. I can create my own network template. Now imagine I'm someone who is only a 12% manager. I do not have cash award. I do not have international travel. That is where my network leader, my team can help me in structuring a recruitment video or say a recruitment template, which I can use to attract people to my business. As mentioned, they can be simple text, a flyer or a video, but of course, the more interactive you make it, the more interesting you make it, the better your recruitment is going to be. It's as simple as that. It's like bronze, silver, gold. Ideally, people will go for something which is gold, right? Because that is the natural human tendency. We try to go for something which is best possible scenario for us. So that's why, have more flyer based templates, have more video based templates, because that is something which is gonna give you more recruitment and more qualified leads coming your way. Recruitment template definitely should have some personal story. They should focus on your association with Oriflame, talk about online business, talk about online entrepreneurship, talk about the flexibility, talk about the requirements. Most importantly, have critical focus on the digital business part of it. Tell people you will train and empower and coach them onto this business. And yes, talk about the achievements as a team, talk about success as a team, talk about your testimonies as a team, because that is what is going to attract people to your business. Now I have created a sample recruitment template, but this is just for the illustration purposes. You cannot use exactly the same, because recruitment template will only work if it is more detailed and if it's more personal. Last time as well, when I shared this recruitment template, a lot of the leaders got back to me and they asked me about the feedback, and they have used the exactly same thing. This is just for illustration. If you want to create better recruitment templates, please talk to the expert who knows, right? Who understands your business story, who understands your personal story, and who also have the right instinct and acumen for right design and content. They can help you with a really nice business template, and it's a one-time investment, right? There are a lot of freelance designers, there are a lot of freelance content editors or social media experts who might help you in that case. And this is just something you have to create for once, and you do not have to create it again and again. Maybe 5-6 months down the line, when you have more success, when you have cash awards, you have titles, you would want to upgrade them. You want to have more better recruitment story, which is all right. Otherwise, it's just a one-time investment and you are done. Now I've taken a case scenario of a leader. Her name is Anamika Jain. Now Anamika Jain is what we call it hypothetical leader here, and she says that, hey, I'm Anamika Jain. So whenever somebody reaches to Anamika Jain, either on Messenger or on WhatsApp, she replies them with a template where she has a nice photo collage. I've just mentioned photo collage, but imagine these are really attractive photo collages here. And she tells people, hey, I'm Anamika Jain. I'm a mom, coach, entrepreneur from Jaipur, and I have my online business spread across India. I run a team of more than 6,000 people who work remotely from the convenience of their home. I have a proven business system and have empowered homemakers, working women, mothers, students to lead a better lifestyle, to become successful business person. Okay, maybe you have some questions about this business, but I'm answering that for you. What business? Hey, we are doing the digital business with one of the Swedish leading company, Oriflame, and you'll be working as an entrepreneur. No door-to-door selling, rather you will work online, build your own team, and I will help and coach you in doing that. For who? Now again, this is the generic template. Tomorrow you can create a template which is very, very exclusive for young mothers or say working women. Then that template could be altogether different. That is why I'm asking you, just figure out what your requirements are, which is your potential target segment, and then create recruitment templates accordingly. This is just an overview. Templates can be attractive, detailed, and more inspirational in nature. Benefits. Why should you join this business? Hey, you get everything. You get monthly income, you get cash awards, you get national and international travel, you get to earn into great figures, and then you are also eligible for Dream program where you get all of this. Requirements say you have to place a monthly order with our partner, and these are basically the things you keep on buying anyway, right? Your skincare, your color cosmetics, your wellness, this is a necessity. There are no investments, but yes, you have to devote time. And what support? Hey, I have a team. I have a really nice core team to help you, coach you, and get started onto this business. And we believe in working together, celebrating together as a family, and you can be part of our business family as well. Now, if you have more details, you want to know about my business story, you can please reach out to me. I'm so glad that I can, help you in that. So now what will happen when you send this template to women, to your potential prospects, for example, they will have better idea. Now they will make a decision whether they really want to know more about it. And people who reach out to you after seeing a recruitment template, they are your qualified leads, and qualified leads have a really, really better conversion potential. This is something you should always remember. Qualified leads should be your focus. Now, another critical component for my recruitment is online opportunity meeting, which we also called OOM. And OOM should ideally start with introduction. Whenever you are presenting your online opportunity meeting, start with an introduction. Talk about yourself first. Because people do not join Oriflame. They really do not care about Oriflame, honestly. They care about what you have to present, what you have to offer. It's about you. And these are small steps to establish a strong personal brand, that you talk about yourself. Hey, who am I? What is my story? Why did I join this business? What challenge did I face? What all I achieved for myself? What my experience has been so far? This is really, really important for your online opportunity meeting. Then, okay, now that I introduced myself, I talked about this business in a very brief, but then what are the benefits? You talk about, work-life balance, talk about flexibility and, convenience of working remotely from home. It's an online business, the modern way of doing business. You get to travel to exotic destinations. The recognitions are so grand that, you cannot believe yourself. You are treated like a celebrity. You get cash awards worth this much. You are eligible for dream program. And, these are the benefits you get once you qualify for the dream program. And why should you believe me? Hey, look. These are some of the pictures and some video testimonies from people who have worked with me throughout the years, and just hear from them what exactly they have to say. And then, of course, because Oriflame is our partner, we just mentioned a couple of slides about Oriflame, and then we set the right expectation. What is that I'm expecting from you, and what all expectations you can have on me as well. Now I have a sample OOM for the same leader, Anamika Jain, who is again a hypothetical leader. Now when she's presenting her OOM, she's just starting with herself, a nice picture of herself in front of a laptop, her own name and current title is mentioned. And then she starts, hey guys, thank you so much for joining today's online opportunity meeting. I'm Anamika Jain, currently as a fire director with Oriflame India. And when I talk about myself, first of all, I'm a mother. I'm a proud mom of 2 lovely children, and I love spending time with them. I love, grooming them for a better and a really happy future. And that is what I love most about, about myself, that I'm a mom first. Then, yes, I'm an entrepreneur too. I started this business 5-6 years back. And then I'm a believer, because I believe that great things can happen if you have the determination, if you have the courage to dream. Why? Because in today's time, if you ask me, I earn this much of monthly income. In my network overall, this much of cumulative income is generated. I have already taken 8 national trips, and I have been to 6 amazing exotic destinations for my international travel. And currently my network, my team is spread across Pan India, and I have over 12,000 passionate females and women working with me who come from different horizons of life. Some of them are students, some of them are mothers, some of them are homemakers, some of them are working women. But yes, this opportunity appeals everyone. Like me. Now, if you ask me, I always was not an entrepreneur. I never had idea that I will do something like this. But 6-7 years back when I got married, And when I was expecting my first child, my life changed. I could not continue with my job. And I am a passionate woman. I have dreams and I wanted to do something. I wanted to take care of my family, provide with them the best of lifestyle. That is when this opportunity happened to me. And I'm so glad of the choice I made, because today I am happy, confident and empowered woman. And that is what I can do for you as well. If you have passion, if you have dreams, I can help you fulfill all of those dreams. And how do we do that? Please pay attention for the next 15 minutes, because I will explain how you can do it as well. It was very difficult for me because I started nowhere. But today I have a system, I have a team, I have everything with me. All I need is some committed and passionate people joining me and taking benefit of this business opportunity, right? Now, why do I propose you this business opportunity? Because I understand it. In today's time, money is very, very important. We cannot sustain with money. But money should not be at the cost of other important things in our life. When I was working, I realized that I'm working 12, 14 hours every day. I do not get any time to spend with my family. I barely, can go out for outings and for hang out with my husband. And that is what is happening with most of the people, because they are so busy spending money. They'll miss on other important things in life. They do not travel. They do not have fun. Their health gets affected. They get like anxious and depressed, right? That is why I love this opportunity. Why? Because in this opportunity, you get to earn great money, but at the same time, you are not losing on other important things in your life. You get to work from home. So you have better flexibility. You are your own boss. Work on your own time. You are not reporting to anyone. This is your business. You can grow. You can earn the way you deliver. Yes, once you have a system, you kickstart this business. You start getting attractive monthly income. And for more titles, for more tires you achieve for yourself, you are eligible for really, really exciting set of cash awards and grand recognitions. And I cannot tell you, just some later going forward, I will show you some of my amazing recognition video when I was called onto the stage during the director seminar, say, which happened in, say, Hyderabad, right? I love traveling. And when I was a working employee, I never got to travel. And here I've already been to 6 amazing exotic destinations outside India. And I cannot explain how amazing it is to travel with like-minded people, meet people from different cultures, different cities. It is awe-inspiring, and that is what I love about this business. And you can do it as well. Then you are also eligible for something that's called a dream program. Why is it called a dream program? Because it's the dream of every Indian household, that we have a really nice house to live in. We have a really nice cars, so that we can go outings with our families and drive around. We provide our children with the best of education possible, and also we get our kin married in the best ever way possible. And start this business, reach the gold director title with my team, and you are eligible for dream program where you get funds for all of these things. What else do you need? Now be very honest. Does any job offer you that? No. So that's when I talk about recruitment. You have to be confident. But if you are like too coy, oh my God, like, you talked about Oriflame, how do I recruit? No, it's okay. It's all right. You are not joining Oriflame. You are joining me. It's your confidence. So that's why, like, a lot of the times people reach out to me, Safir, when we mention Oriflame, they say we are not interested. You are doing it wrong. You are making it about Oriflame. Guys, it's not about Oriflame. It's about you. And the sooner you realize, the better your recruitment will be. Okay. And then most importantly, hey, how modern businesses work. They work online. They work digitally. And I have the system I did not know how to use smartphone back then, but today I am working completely online using my laptop, using internet, and I can empower you to do that as well. And if you go out, future is about digital. So we are actually empowering you on a very modern and very up-to-date business system. This slide will ideally make more sense for the working woman. Now imagine tomorrow I'm doing an OM and I have 50 women who are working into different corporate and different industries. And I tell them also there is one major benefit you take this opportunity, and that is your income. Now here I will just do a comparative analysis of your income. When I started my job, I started getting 15,000 rupees a month. And then despite of working 9, 10, 12 hours every day, there are barely any increments happening. The job market is never stable. There is always, so much of uncertainty. So even if you get paid 15, 20,000 a month, but in corporate, the appraisal, the reward system is slow. And with that pace, maybe after 10, 12 years, you are earning 80,000, 90,000 rupees a month. But in corporate, what happens is that your growth becomes stagnant. It means that you only grow till a certain extent. After that, your growth stops, it becomes stagnant. It means that you are not getting any more pay raise. And tomorrow, new technology might come, you will be totally out of your job. And the day you stop working, your income drops, your income stops completely. It's not that you work with some company for 20 years, they start giving you stipend or say some pension, not at all. But with my opportunity, you start earning really less. Why? Because you are new to the system, you do not know the business yet, you are not making much contribution. But I will train you, I'll coach you, I'll empower you. And once you start increasing your titles, increasing your achievements, your income starts growing. And once you learn the business and you are dedicated, there is no looking back. Look at the curve, how steep it goes. It means that maybe 10, 12 years from now, if you look at the income differential, you will earn 10, 20 times more than your job, definitely. Then maybe tomorrow you just want to take a break, you do not want to work long hours. It's all right. Your income will not stop. Why? Because this is network marketing. You have created a network for yourself, so you will always keep on getting passive income. And not just that, you can inherit this thing as well. Now imagine tomorrow I have this much of income coming in, and tomorrow if things are not right, I want to stop, I can transfer this role to my daughter or my son, and they can be my representative. So you just do not secure your future, but you also secure the future of your children. And how do we work? It's really, really simple. We prospect on online and social media channels. We recruit people through online modes, and then we have a proper coaching training system which helps people to grow onto this business. It's very simple process. First, if you are interested, you register with us, and then you place your first order of 100 business points with my partner, which is Oriflame. Okay. Once you do that, I start doing the personal meeting with you, because then I want to understand you in detail. So I'll be doing the individual meetings with you, and I figure out what kind of person you are, what kind of challenge you have, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, and on the basis of that, I develop an action plan for you, and I will ensure you that I take you to the next level, which is a senior manager, and then eventually a goal director onto the success plan accordingly. Some of you can be goal directors, ideally say in a year's time. Somebody might take almost 2 years as well. So it totally depends, right? Also, I will help you to recruit and have your own team. While my team is doing recruitment for you, while my team is helping you to structure your network and everything, it's very important that you spend some time to understand and know more about this business. You attend all my trainings and webinars. You know how to prospect and recruit and learn all the tools and techniques which are essential for this business. And then reasons to believe, hey, see, this is my journey to success. So start with the pictures of your recognition, the cash award, the team pictures, the travel pictures, and then have a nice to the point write-up so that people figure, okay, no, this looks really cool. This looks really authentic. And no matter tomorrow, if you do these trainings offline events or you do it on your online events, the recruitment is definitely gonna skyrocket. Not just that, I will also recommend have some testimonies as well. Now, for example, I have kept 3 different testimonies. So one testimony is from Anupama Das, who is a senior director with me. She said that, hey, I am a homemaker, or I had a lot of free time and I wanted to do my own business. And till time taking decision to join Anupama's team, Anamika's team is the best decision of my life. Today, when I look back, I feel more confident. I feel more empowered. Thank you, Anamika, that you introduced me to the business. Then we have another testimony from Niharika Singh, who is the gold director. She was a working mom, and she says that, like, quitting her job and starting this digital business with Oriflame or career with Oriflame is the best decision of her life. Why? Because she always wanted to have this freedom to travel and look different, go and have a look around different places. And I've already been to 4 international destinations. What else can I expect? Similarly, like, Apurva, who is a student and empowered, she's talking about how confident she feels, how empowered she feels. At just age of 20, 21, she can finance her own tuitions, buy her own necessities, and she feels confident and empowered. So that is the kind of opportunity and value we provide to people. I will recommend ideally, like, have a testimony which is very relevant to your target audience. For example, tomorrow you are doing maybe OM with someone who is a mother and she's very passionate mother and wants to provide education to her children. Maybe have a testimony of some mother who financed the education of her children because of, working with you, or because of being an Oriflamian for that matter. Maybe you have a, special OM which you are doing for a couple. And if you have a testimony of a couple in your network, mention that, hey, look at this couple. Their dream was to set their own business, and they are one of the fastest and the happiest couple, fastest growing leaders, and also the happiest couple I know. Look at their success story, listen to their testimony. Maybe ex-corporate, have actually strong testimonies from the people who used to work in different companies, but today are happy being digital entrepreneurs with your team. This already makes a great sense. Okay. Then we talk about Oriflame, that, see, Oriflame is our partner. Why did we choose Oriflame? Because we love working for it. It's the social selling beauty company, which has empowered thousands of people through its business opportunity. And also, like, it has world-class color cosmetics, skincare and wellness products, and which are powered by Swedish science. Oriflame has the TSP and also the mantra that look great, make money, have fun, and that is what we believe in. So it will offers us income and flexibility to travel and celebrate together as a team and be part of the Oriflame's global beauty community. And that is not the only reason we chose Oriflame. We chose Oriflame because of its amazing and very, very stable reward success plan, or say rewarding plan as well. And my goal for you is that I help you to look great, the best version of yourself, make unlimited money, and look have fun, because it's all about, having fun. And my goal is that I make you a senior manager and gold director in the shortest time possible. I have the system, I have the resources. All I need is your commitment. And then we set the right expectations. Hey, see, as I mentioned that, the income is low in the starting, while your team is creating network for you and recruiting for you. It's important that you grow your skills. You learn this tools and tricks, how you can do this business. But I will have some expectations from you always. The first is that you will place the order of 100 BP every month. You participate in all our webinars and trainings. You quickly learn online tools and tricks which can help you to grow and create your own team and network. Have concrete plan that when you want to be a senior manager, when you want to be a gold director with my team. And most importantly, you should focus on daily recruitment. And what is that I do for you? Because we work through the power, like we work in the depth, right? So I will help you in recruiting people for your system. I will teach and train you onto the entire business, both offline as well as online tools. Whatever business communications, whatever important updates are there, I will make sure that you know all of them. And time to time, I will do the business planning sessions. I will do the goal setting sessions with you, because my dream is to make you a senior manager and then goal director in the shortest time span possible. If yes, then you shake the hands onto it. And then you tell them, hey, like, that's all from me. I'm really hopeful that you like my presentation, but I'm sure you still might have some questions. You still might have some concerns, or if you are really ready to join, it's easy. How to get started? You can just call me or you can drop me a text on WhatsApp, then I'll get back to you and then I will register you as a part of my team. So that is how sample OM could be. You can make it more personal, you can make it beautiful, you can have some amazing testimonies, and recruitment will skyrocket. It's all about how do you deliver it, how do you practice it. And then before I finish it, I will just like to mention this thing as well. Now today, like, what also the chance you have, it's easy. Now some of you who can invest in Facebook advertising, I will again recommend that, maybe take the expert help and start, doing the advertisement for the live OM. Means that you directly tell people that you are recruiting for an online opportunity event, join your online opportunity event. So you run ads on social media. Now every day 30-40 people show interest in your advertisement. That evening only do this online opportunity meeting with them, half an hour Zoom call, and follow up, and people 20-30% people will show interest and they will be recruited every day. Now imagine you are attracting 50 people on daily basis. You are hosting the online opportunity meeting every night, and out of 50 you are able to recruit 20-30 every day. It means that you will have close to 250 recruits every week. It's all about investment. It's all about, having these elements and then just like, deliver. It's very easy, right? Sometimes I really wish to be Oriflame consultant so that I can execute these things for my own business. But, I really want most of you to try these things out, because these things work. And another easiest way is, because a lot of the time you say that, hey, I'm 12%er, I'm 15%er, I just started. How do we ensure recruitment? Again, the opportunity meeting will be really, really critical. Now, for example, I'm the network leader, and in my personal group itself, for example, I have some people who have just started. Now, for example, these are my 2 lines I'm working on to, and these are some of the people. So, for example, A, he got 5 leads, somebody got 2 leads, another one got 3 leads, another was not able to fetch any leads, somebody got 12 leads. All these people are like, 3%, 9, 12, 15%, right? Somebody got 3, 1, 7, 15, 8 leads. Now, because these people do not have the expertise, these people do not have a really great lifestyle and success story to recruit. So what I will do is, as a network, I'll tell them, hey guys, do one thing, prospect on daily basis. And all the leads you generate, please, your only goal is you bring them to the online opportunity meeting, which I'll be doing for you every night, maybe tonight. Now, for example, in today's time, if 10-50 people from my network are prospecting, and they generated 2, 3, 4 leads each. So there are close to 150 people who are part of my online opportunity meeting, which is happening later. Then I have a nice OM, I execute it, and then these people will follow up. Hey, how did you like our online opportunity? And then start recruiting them. This is again a really, really nice way to recruit. We have all these options with us. We have all these things available with us. It's just a matter of time that we get really serious about these things. And then you can also have your Facebook group. I have already talked about it in detail, but yes, a close Facebook group, which is exclusively for your team and network, is a great idea to empower and train your team. It will ensure more leadership development, and for trainings, amazing platform, and for recruitments as well, an amazing platform. Please start working on these suggestions, start working on all these critical components, because eventually this is your business and you need to do something about it. Okay. That's all from me. I hope I was able to communicate some really important things for you. If I'll be sharing the PPT as well as the recorded version of this training into my WhatsApp groups. And for the people who are not part of my WhatsApp group, I have provided my email here, safi.hashmi@oriflame.com. Drop me an email and I'll send you the link to download the PPT and recorded version. Okay. And I'm really short on time. I have to join another call at 4:30, but still I will try to maybe answer few of the questions you might have. Okay. Thank you so much guys for being here. So let me just have a look if there are any questions. What exactly should we talk in recruitment video? See, your recruitment video should exactly be the smaller version of your online opportunity meeting. So I hosted the OM, right? The recruitment video has to talk about the same things, but of course, like, smaller duration and to the point form. You can, Fanus, you can just drop me an email on safi.hashmi and then I can, just reply to you there and we can take it up from there. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Because I have to join another call. I'll be sending you the recorded version of this training and PPT to you. And please implement these things and all the best. Okay, bye bye. Take care.